Heads up, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Just wanted to let you know that our next free 30-plus day Get Up and Go challenge is starting on August 1st. Share in the comments below if you are in, and I will make sure that you get a personal invite to this coming up challenge. We are going to change your life, guaranteed, by getting involved in this challenge, learning how to, in 30 days or less, change any area or aspect of your life in the way that's best for you. I know that's a big promise, but it's happened time and time again. This is our 8th 30-plus day challenge since 2020, and the whole pandemic thing started, and so we've had some really fun and amazing results, me personally, as well as the other people that have participated in the challenge. Just wanted to give you a heads up that it's coming up again in August. August 1st, we'll start at 11 a.m. I think it'll be 11 a.m. again this time. That time actually works personally best for me, and I like to set aside the 11 a.m. time right before lunch to focus on the projects that I'm working on, and this is my pet project, one of my most fun pet projects, and I hope you'll be a part of it. That's it. Have an awesome day, and I will see you right here on August 1st. Take care. Get up. Let's go.